In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect vidIQ to Claude AI. First of all, you can go and open your Claude AI. Then sign in into your account if you haven't signed in yet. Once you do so, you'd like to go and open settings. So click on your icon at the bottom left and then open settings. Once you do so, we would like to look for connectors. You'll find it here at the bottom. So click on it. And of course, if you're doing that on the browser, you can do the same thing. Once you do so here, you'll have to click on add at the top right, and you, instead of clicking on browse connectors, you'll have to click on add a custom connector. Keep in mind, if you do have a custom connector from before, you'll not be able to add more than one if you are only on the free plan. So for me, I just removed my custom connector and I'm going to click on that one. Now we'll need a name basically and the remote MCP server URL. Where can we get that from? You can go and open, as example, any browser that you want, and you can type vidIQ and add MCP after. Once you do so, you'll have to click on the first link and make sure to click on try vidIQ MCP free. Make sure that you're logged in into an account. If you're not, just go and log in into it. So once you logged in, you should find yourself here, basically. But for me, I'm going to click on my profile at the bottom left. From there, clicking on account settings, and I'll find myself here. So at the top, click on apps and extras. Or sorry, I meant click on MCP. And here you'll find the setup guide to connect Claude AI, ChatGPT, Cursor, VS Code, OpenClaw. As you can see, all of those to vidIQ. So here you'll have to generate your API key above. As you can see, you'll find it at the top right. Generate new one. Give it a name as example. So I'll name it Claude since we're connecting it with Claude AI. So here you'll find your API key. Click on copy. And here you'll get your MCP server. So go back to Claude, give it a name. So for me, I'm going to name it vidIQ, the remote MCP. And here you will need auth client's ID and auth client's secret. If you want to add them, it's totally optional. So we would want the MCP URL. Just go and get that and enter it right here. Then click on add. Once you click on add, as you can see, check in the connection. So click on connect. Once you click on connect, it will take you to your browser. So once it's opened your browser, you'll find something like this. Since you are already connected, you don't have to connect. Just go and click on open Claude and it will go and open your Claude account or Claude application on your desktop. So from here, if you click on back, then click on connect, you'll find this again on your browser. And as you can see, this will grant basically vidIQ MCP access. So just give it authorized and let's just wait for a second until it's give the authorization to our cloud desktop application. As you can see, you'll find again, once you authorize it, this open Claude again. At the moment, for me, I get an authorization with vidIQ failed. You can check your credentials and permissions. If this persists, you'll have to share this reference. But as you can see, I just go and did it once again, and now it's connected to vidIQ. This was just a problem, I guess, from their parts. Once I try this again, it's worked like a charm. So after the connection is completed, you can basically ask Claude like find trending topics in my niche, analyze my YouTube channel, suggest SEO-friendly video titles, and Claude will retrieve information or live information from vidIQ instead of relying on its built knowledge. So that's how you connect vidIQ to Claude AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.